One of the cars that I'm proud of is this 1969 Camaro Z28. This car we call the Unicorn because it is one of one. Now how can that be? Well, here's another Z28, a 69. What makes this car unique is this color was a rare color to begin with. It's called garnet red metallic. They didn't sell many of these new in 1969 in this color. But what makes this one unique is the sport stripes, the Z28 stripes. As you can see, they're in red instead of white or black or another color. Chevrolet said that they never produced this car with this color stripe. I have the proof and the documentation where they did, but only one time. This car with this color combination is a one of one, hence we call it the Unicorn. Y'all come see us now, you hear?